Las Vegas, Sin City, a place where people come to get lost, lost in the endless hum of neon lights. Bars, lounges, restaurants, and casinos stretch as far as the eye can see. This is a city where you come to forget your anxieties, a place to shed your troubles of the world, escape your reality, and step into a fantasy. Travelers flock here in search of excitement to punctuate their mundane lives, engulfing themselves in overindulgence. With a drink in the hand and cash in their pockets, they seek out the kind of fun that often disappears into a faded memory of a hangover. The Flamingo has been a desert institution since 1946. It has hosted stars like Louis Armstrong and Wayne Newton, evolving from its original 3-story structure into a neon pink monolith that we see today. The Las Vegas Boulevard, the Strip. It's a massive network of corridors, escalators, and bridges designed to herd travelers from one floor to the next. Showgirls line the sidewalks, adorned with towering headdresses, rhinestones, and feathers. Planet Hollywood stands on hallowed ground of the old Aladdin, where Elvis Presley married Priscilla in 1967. It's hosted legends like Neil Diamond, Frank Sinatra, and Queen. The history of Las Vegas is as rich as the abundance of sin found within its corridors, from half-naked cowboys luring the passerbys to world-class performers. Vegas truly has something for everyone. The nightlife exudes frantic energy. From every cuisine imaginable to every cocktail you can conceive, the options are paralyzing. Vegas invites you to do the most with your closest friends. Eat that third dinner. Have one more drink, over and over. There's nowhere else you'd rather be. You find yourself at the ATM, pulling out more and more, gambling, drinking, eating, living life to the absolute limit. By day, the city invites you to shop until you drop. High-end boutiques like Tiffany & Company, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, and Coach call your name. Street performers speckle the strip, keeping you entertained from one block to the next. And for the families, attractions like the Bellagio fountains, the Sphere, and the Eiffel Tower experience prove that the city caters to all ages. The architecture pushes beyond the norm, eye-popping, mind-bending urban scenery towering into the desert sky. Even in the high sun, the neon demands your attention. There is no off switch in Sin City, no quit. There is always somewhere to go. There's always somewhere to indulge along the way. The MGM Grand, the Fight Casino. We're talking about the highest profile fights in history. Tyson versus Holyfield, the Bite Fight. Mayweather versus Pacquiao. George Foreman versus Michael Moore. Fury versus Wilder. It's also the site where Tupac Shakur was seen moments before his fatal shooting. Rest in peace to a legend. The New York. A personal favorite, opened in 1997, its exterior recreates a 1940s Manhattan skyline. It's designed after Greenwich Village inside, complete with cobblestone pathways, brownstones, and the famous Nine Fine Irishmen, a genuine pub built in Ireland and shipped piece by piece to Las Vegas. The detail here is everything. You'll find a replica of the Brooklyn Bridge and the infamous Lady Liberty herself towers in front of the Big Apple coaster that weaves through the structure. You're always in Las Vegas for a good time, never for a long time. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. So long, Sin City. Thanks for the memories.